caused by the Muslim. That means there was a gun against him, and he was given a choice. Eat or get your brains blown out. He was given a choice. Eat or get your brains blown out. He ate and it reached a point where his body rejected the food. And maybe he passed out.
Such a sadistic person.
That seems obvious.
Captain, when you want somebody dead, you don't have to risk all this time doing all this, unless the act itself has a meaning.
Come on. Somebody had a problem with the fat boy.
In the grocery bag, we found 2 receipts. That means the killer stopped in the middle of everything and made a second trip to the supermarket.
So?
Is this a thing that I have been out in the end of the day?
This is a premeditated puzzle, and it's only the beginning.
We have one person there.
No motive, Captain.
Don't even start that brain game of yours of cooking things.
Please, I would like to be reassigned.
What?
What?
Oh.
What are you talking about?
This can't be my last duty. It's just going to go on and on.
You're retiring. 6 more days, you are done. It won't be the last time you have left unfinished business before.
Come on, Captain. Those other cases were taken as close as humanly possible. And if I may speak freely, this should not be as fast as it meant.
Hey man, this is not my first assessment to you. Fool, what the hell?
It's too soon for him.
When you say that to my face?
It's too soon for him.
Captain, can we talk as a brother? This is not working. Maybe it's a personal thing.
Just shut up, Brad. I don't have anyone else to put on this.
To me, Captain.
How is that?
No way that I can work with him if he doesn't want.
No, I'm putting you on something else. I'm sorry, old buddy. We have to finish this up.
Goodbye.